Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Baking with Jakia. Today I am sharing this strawberry cake decoration. Hope you like it and subscribe the channel if you like it. First I take a layer cake and add sugar syrup in between. Now giving some cream. Now I'm giving homemade strawberry pie filling. Check the description box for the strawberry pie filling recipe. Giving chocolate ganache. For the marble design, 2 fingers should be sprinkled with chocolate ganache like this. Now I am coating with red color piping gel. Cake decoration is complete. Hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much.